Hey there, it's Sylrette. I'm gonna be flat ironing my hair for the first time. This is not a silk press, it was way too humid for that. Anyway, I shampooed my hair with Dark and Lovely or Naturale Wonder Wash shampoo and conditioned it with Dark and Lovely or Naturale Not Out conditioner. I also applied Aunt Jackie's Quench leave-in conditioner while I was in the shower, so my hair soaks up all the moisture. I'm going to detangle my hair section by section as I blow dry. I started off on low heat, but I realized it wasn't going to be stretched enough for the flat ironing, so I switched to a higher setting and I'm using a paddle brush. This is how it looks after blow drying on high with the paddle brush. I try to get it as straight as possible so I don't have to do too many passes with the flat iron. I flat twisted the other side so I can focus on one side at a time. I'm going to be using the Long and Lasting Silicone Serum. This serum adds a protective layer to my hair and makes it shiny and soft. So I was doing the chase method when I started with the flat ironing, but the hand-eye coordination was just not there when I do this on myself. So I just combed with a small comb and flat ironed. If you're wondering how hot this flat iron is, my answer to that is not hot enough. It's the Clicks brand flat iron. I rarely flat iron my hair, so I just don't see the point of investing in a new one. I ain't flexing like these bitches do. You could see it in my pictures, bitches, nothing new. I ain't talking about my revenue. Blessed with every second that I get to do exactly what I dreamed of when I was a little kid. It's a dream, never thought I would get to live. So now I ain't trying to catch up to you. All I can be is authentic, you gon' get the truth. It's the truth, hey, I ain't really got no blame. I don't wear no chain. You know when you see me around town, let me do my thing. I ain't really pop no tags, really got no swag. But if you need something, I probably got it in my Louis. I got it, that's what you got it. I got it, yes I do. Wherever you want me, I'm lonely without my Louis. On me, I ain't dripping ice, no new freezer, but I'm tryna live life. Every day say when I wanna leave it, can't name my price. So this is how it's looking. My hair still has a lot of volume. Like I said, it was very humid. But anyway, I'm going to use the hot comb to smoothen my edges. I have the comb attachment on so that I don't burn my skin or fry my edges because, you know, I love my hairline. I applied my oil mix to my hair and scalp so it's not too dry. It's a mix of Amla oil, Hair Placenta, and Jamaican black castor oil. After I brushed my hair, it kind of flattened down a little bit. Here's a quick length check. I'm gonna do a little trim while it's like this, but not too much because I don't want to mess with the shape of my afro. I'm happy with how it turned out. I got to see my length, my hair still has a lot of volume, and you know what? That's perfectly fine.